Hi everyone, so this is Naval Sand, and here you see the man, his Prince sir, and uh, Prince sir, he has done BCA, I think. Apart from BCA, I heard that he has many more degrees. Not only he had done double BA, double merit or
Yeah.
triple,
No,
double or
sir.
triple.
It's my third graduation.
थर्ड ग्रेजुएशन यू कैन थिंक गाइस, हम लोग एक बार एक करते हैं तो थक जाते हैं, यहाँ पर ट्रिपल करने जा रहे हैं, पता नहीं क्या करने वाले हैं। ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ छोड़ने वाले हैं ही नहीं। और इन्होंने ड्यूरिंग कन्वर्सेशन आई केम टू नो कि जब इन्होंने बीसीए में एडमिशन लिया, क्योंकि जो बैकग्राउंड से आते हैं वो बिहार बोर्ड है, और बिहार बोर्ड में वी नो व्हाट इज़ द कंडीशन ऑफ इंग्लिश। तो इन्होंने जब एडमिशन लिया, सो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम ही फेसेस, सो हम लोग जानेंगे आज इनसे। तो सर, जब आप एडमिशन लिए थे बीसीए में, दैट टाइम हाउ वाज योर इंग्लिश?
First of all, everybody knows when you are studying in government school,
Yeah.
your background is from a government school, then everybody knows what is the situation of English.
It's familiar
And
to us.
same, I was a student of government school, and that time in class 10th, I have prepared only that things which will score 30 marks.
Just to pass.
Just to be passed. Yes. And after that, when I pursuing intermediate, at that time I took only 50 marks of English.
And even you prepare just to get to passing mark.
Just passing mark, even in intermediate.
You did
also.
not try to speak. That time I think you had no knowledge about English. What is English?
Not at
You
all.
had the information that English means passing,
Yeah,
scoring marks.
of course. And the point of about English, it's very tough for rural areas. Whenever a student who is studying in government school, for him English is a very tough task and very tough subject.
Because the students are not interested. They don't know what is English.
Most of the teachers don't prepared him for such kind of situation.
Yeah, they
You have-
even teach just to pass.
just to be passed, and here don't tell me about future. Whenever you will go out of your village area, then you have to be faced English, and most of the people are speaking in English. English is worldwide language. That's why you have to learn. And I was just a simple student who never think about English. Just I was reading such subjects like maths, science, SST. When I came to pursuing BCA, I faced first of all the professors who was taught me. He was completely in English, and I said with you that my English is very very low, and even now I can say that I've never learned about grammar. I just whatever I am speaking, it's only about my classes. Whatever I
Even
learn
I
from-
tell you one thing, to speak English, no need of grammar. If you are listening every day and trying to speak, believe me, you can speak.
Yes, sir. And this factor worked with me when I regularly attend my classes, lectures of my professors. Then I was able to understand English. First 2 months, I was very. I have very fear about English. How I'll write anything, whatever professors are
Saying, yeah,
their
teaching.
lecture and their teaching methods, because whatever you are learning about computer, they are completely in English. And first 2 months I feel very fear. And my friend was, his name Santosh. He helped me a lot. Whatever he was writing, he just told me, just copy whatever I am writing. And even I was facing such situation, if I need to write classification, I usually like ka, adha
In
ka,
Hindi,
la,
in Hindi.
yeah,
not
in Hindi.
Yeah.
That was my situation. And right
But nowadays your English is very good.
no, I'm not thinking about that
If
because
you are speaking, that's a great thing, and it means your English is good. And when we talk about Hindi, we do not speak correctly.
yeah,
Very-
of course any language
Yeah,
you can't got fluency.
Language. It's language. Language means speaking.
Yeah.
If we have conversation, we have understanding. It means we know English. And today I came to know your English is very good. Okay, tell me, you learn it by grammar or by listening?
Only just listening.
So
and
guys,
reading. I never learned about grammar.
yeah, you heard. Even I tell in my classroom, to learn English, we have the first step is to listen. Listening is the most important thing.
So,
And even our teachers do not teach us to listen. They just teach us grammar. So if we listen, if we practice to speak, we can speak like Hindi.
I wanna spread a message through it. All the teachers who is teaching in English, they should completely use English language.
Yeah.
In a starting
Classroom.
period, yeah, in a starting period, only use Hindi. But after some time, if a student has a growing mind about English, then the teachers must use only English. After listening, they can understand gradually. He can develop his vocabulary and so many things which is necessary to English.
Okay, sir. I feel very good to talk to you. And here is tea. So if we do not take it,
I usually don't drink,
But-
don't take tea, but,
yeah, but
it's-
today, thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.